Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Elise London, and welcome to my channel. First video of the new year. Happy New Year. I hope you all have a blessed 2023. So obviously it's the new year, so it's time for a new wig. You feel me? You feel me? Okay, so guys, I found this wig from the Amazon store, and let me tell you, this is an Amazon must have. Let's get into it. So this beauty is from a company called Esmee store on Amazon. I hope your girl is coming correct with the pronunciation, because that will be embarrassing. So I believe that the color is in Auburn ginger and the length is 20 inches. And this is non-lace. And your girl just wanted to come with something new for the new year, you know? Like, I've had enough of lace wigs just for now. I'm not saying forever, but just for now. So let me try out the non-lace wigs. Let me see how they look. Like, let's scoot over to the non-lace wig train. But girls, let me tell you, as you saw from my facial expressions, I was in love with the color. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. It's not too bright, it's not too orange. Like, it's just the perfect auburn color. Like, it's giving me straight off the bat autumn vibes and like winter vibes as well. And the color was just gorgeous. But straight out of the pack, the wig felt really nice. It didn't feel like fake, like dolly fake hair. It felt very human actually. And I still wear this wig till this day because it is bomb. And yeah guys, it just felt really great, very soft. I didn't get much shedding, but as I've continued on to wear this unit, I can say I get a little shedding here there, but it's nothing major. And I'm very happy how lightweight this wig is. I love lightweight wigs. Like, it feels like there's nothing on your head top. And I just love how you can manage and style this wig with no issues. It's literally just a throw on and go wig, and you can head out. Literally, like, no effort, none of that. You could also add heat to this hair as well. You can straighten it. I haven't done that yet, but I will probably do that and come back with an update in a few weeks time for you guys if y'all want that. But it's very manageable, and I love that. I love that for her. This unit also, as you saw from a few clips back, that it comes with a fake scalp. I don't like that, so that's why I added my concealer to it to make it look more realistic. And that was literally all I did, as you saw. So I didn't have to do too much. And I just love the layers as well. It just flows and it just frames my face, and I'm just so happy that I purchased this unit, and I think you guys should too. If you're looking for a throw in and go wig, get you her for real. So that is all for today's video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year.